Hello. Uh, Now I'm explaining how to do quality checking in record.textlang.com. First, use your login ID and password, which was created for you to do the quality checking. As a demo, showing you from one of the districts called Belgaum. I log in with the user ID and password for quality checking. Once you log in, you will see the screen. You need to click on regular QC and you need to select the coordinator assigned to you. If the entire district is assigned, you need to check one by one for the audios available to do the quality checking. For example, I'll check this person, Basalingaya, and here you can see the list of speakers whose audio recording has been done. And when you go to this pending files, if there any pending file, you will see uh, you can click on the pending files and sort it based on the having the highest number of files. Now what I'll do is I'll see this person, Matesh. Matesh B has 47 files. I'll click on this file. Now this is the actual quality checking screen. Here you are given the audio name. Here is the image. When you click on this image name, it will show the image in this side on the right corner, right top, and there is a play button. You need to play the audio. So it will wait until entire audio is played. After that, you need to check for few parameters. One is whether the audio is in the language which is mentioned here, the language. For example, here it's Kannada. The audio should also be in Kannada only. And second thing, you should check whether this the accent belongs to the districts where they are recording. For example, Telugu might be different for Andhra and Telugu might be different for Telangana. Say if you are recording for, I mean, if you are doing the quality checking for the uh, district Karimnagar or say Nalgonda, so the accent of this recording should be as per the uh, district mentioned. And also second thing, you need to check whether the audio is from male or female, because here the person has registered as male, the audio should be male. If it is female, then you need to reject. So there is an option here. So once, so you need to check for background noise in the sense it's like if it is 20%, 30% slight background noise is fine, but it is very disturbing, like 50%, more than 50% background noise, I mean you're not able to hear what he is saying, or it is very disturbing, then you can reject that. So that is one thing. Second thing, whether the person speaking is I mean, gender is matching with the registered gender or not. And third is the language, whether the languages are matching. Fourth is the accent, and fifth is whether the person who is recording is below 20 years or above 20. So we won't need the audios record from kids, I mean below 20 years. So we want only from the above 20-year people. So this is one. So another important point, whether they're speaking about the image or not. For example, here it is an ATM, Union Bank ATM. So people should speak about the ATM, what they do in ATM, what is the benefit of ATM, or what they see, I mean, likewise, or like maybe what they see in the picture. So it's not like if there is a ATM or bank, people are talking about the money. So it's indirectly related. So not directly related. So likewise, once you check everything, you need to, if everything is passed, then you need to click on accept button. If there is an issue, any of the issue, then you click on the reason. So there is one first reason is not audible. That means audio is very low, it cannot be heard. It's, I mean, people sometimes record at, I mean, late night, they'll be speaking in a very low voice. So then it is if it is very low, because some of the audio should be typed in later stage. So if the audio is very low, one cannot type. So then need to select the reason not audible. And if the reason is for audio, I mean, the rejection, what you're saying is background noise, click on background noise and reject. And if the say for example gender is gender is not matching, then you can select the gender mismatch and reject. So this is next is the image and audio match. As I said, image is something else and the person talking about something else. Or like image is about say ATM, someone is talking about a hotel, so then it's a totally mismatch. Or someone is talking about the college, and speech is not natural. So this is the thing, this is very tricky actually. If the speech is at least 50% natural, then you can agree, I mean accept. If it is 100% like people, I mean it seems like people are reading from the book, then you can reject. So because no, you know, like whenever you speak at home, you will not use the bookish language, you use the colloquial language. So we wanted to capture the colloquial language. So if it is like a bookish kind of thing or like a dialogue of a drama, then you can reject saying that speech is not natural. And this is a multiple speaker. If there are multiple speakers speaking in one audio, say for example if I speak for 10 seconds and another person speaks for another 10 seconds, or someone is discussing in the audio, that's also not allowed. Multiple speakers, you select and reject. And abusive language, if someone uses bad word, you can select this option. Third is a language mismatch. As I said, if someone registers for Kannada and they speak in English, or if someone registers for Kannada, they speak in Urdu. So then it's a language mismatch. And non-native speech. So this is like someone is non-native to that place. That place. If someone say, for example, someone from other part of the someone from Chittoor is speaking for I mean Hyderabad, so that is also non-native. I mean it's not from that accent, that region. So and next is same ID different voice. So this is like in one, I mean in one registration only one person has to speak. For example, in this person Mahantesh, he has registered. Then entire 47 audio should be by Mahantesh only, because his all detail will be captured here. So someone else like Shankar cannot speak six audio from in Mahantesh registration. So if you find, I mean, in the first audio you won't notice, but in the second audio, if you feel that okay, this is from a different person, then you can reject. Say that same ID, different voice. This is like different ID, same voice. So this is also a bit tricky because, say for example, Mahantesh registers here records. Like 47 audios. Later, again he registers in different number, and again he records, because one person can record only 18 minutes. If someone again comes and registers and records, no, then it's also rejected. And last one is the voice below 20 years. So this is if someone some kid is recording, then you need to select this option and reject. So you should remember that unless you play entire audio, this accept or reject button will not be enabled. So you have to listen to all of the audio and do the quality checking. So once you are done, it will, once you come back here to that okay, once you see this, that particular for the particular user, the pending file will be shown as 0. So now it is 47 because I did not do any quality checking. So likewise, there are I mean in this, for this quality checking person, so there are about six I mean participants audios are pending. So this is a work. So once you're done with all the assigned files, you I mean, let us know, so we'll assign the next coordinator or next district. Do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.